Bishop ISD announced yesterday a student athlete was exposed to COVID-19. According to the district, the student had attended summer workouts. The program now being suspended until test results arrive. Districts also saying the student has not tested positive for the virus. All student athletes who may have been exposed have been informed.